wealth of experience as a parent, educator, mother of all ministerial spouses and women of the Central Philippine Union Conference, territory of the 7th.
Ayun yung ano. Dating bahay to nila mamidjing. Para ako nila. Tubig. Pinagawa nila sa ano. Getmatic.
Valencia Bukidnon, and she was I'm proud to tell you that she was my roommate. She became a teacher, and then
Ila na din hinapalit. Kanyo paos.
she was the departmental director for women,
Hindi pa tapos yung bintana.
music, and ministerial
Kasi na to lutuan.
association